Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, we will go through very important 10 AWS services with their one-line explanation, so it can help you while going through the interview or the discussion. So the first service we are having Amazon Simple Storage Service, also known as S3. S3 is actually an online file storage service that Amazon provides. So we can use this S3 to store and retrieve any amount of data at any point of time from anywhere on the way. So S3 is a safe, secure and durable storage service that Amazon offer. It's similar to our Google Drive if you are using that one. So it's from the AWS. Next service we are having Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, also known as EC2. So EC2 is a web-based service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web-scale cloud computing, which is easier for the developers. And also EC2 provides us with the ability to launch virtual machines, which are called instances, and run them in the cloud. So if you are using virtual machine in your lab or in your organization, so it is similar to that one. The only thing, it is belongs to the cloud, and in the cloud we know this as a instance. So if we talk about Amazon virtual machine, this is Elastic Compute Cloud, that is also known as EC2. So next service we are having Amazon RDS service, that is relational database service, which is also a web-based service that makes it easy to set up, operate and scale a relational database in the cloud. So it provides us the ability to launch a database instance and run a relational database in the cloud. So if you have worked on relational database in your organizations, so this is the same equivalent service in AWS cloud. Next service we are having Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is a web service that Amazon provides for DNS management. So it's similar what we are having in our organization as a DNS service. In AWS it is known as Route 53. So it provides us the ability to manage our DNS records in the Amazon cloud. Now we will talk about next service, that is Amazon Simple Email Service. So in short we known as SES service in Amazon. So SES is a web service that Amazon provides for email sending. So SES makes it easy to send emails from your AWS EC2 instances very easily. Next service we are having Amazon Simple Notification Service, also known as SNS service. So SNS is actually provides for the notification delivery. So SNS makes it easy to send notification from our Amazon EC2 instances. Next service we are having Amazon Simple Queue service, that is also known as SQS service. So SQS service provides for queue management. So SQS makes it easy to manage our queues in the Amazon cloud. Queues in the sense the actions which is need to take place one after another. Next service we are having Amazon Simple Workflow Service. In short, it's a HWF service in AWS. So HWF is a web-based service that Amazon provides for workflow management. So HWF makes it easy to coordinate your workflow in AWS cloud. Let's talk about next service, that is Amazon CloudFront service. CloudFront is a web service that Amazon provides for content delivery. So CloudFront makes it easy to deliver your content to the users around the world. That means that whenever you want to set up any application or service, you always want that your users have a better experience, they feel like low latency. So what you want to keep, you want to keep your servers, applications or services near to the end users. So similarly Amazon CloudFront is helping in this one. Now let's talk about the last service of this video, that is Amazon Elastic Map Reduce service, also known as EMR service. EMR service provides for data processing. Okay, so EMR makes it easy to process your data in the Amazon cloud smoothly. So these are the services which is very important to learn for your interview and for the discussion. So we will go through more services in our coming videos. So guys, that's it we have in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it, then don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends so they can also learn quickly. Keep learning and stay tuned for such resources in futures. See you in next video.